Hi, my dear friends. Today, my discussion topic is on bile acid metabolism, and it is very essential to know because the common disorder of human beings, that is jaundice, is always associated with the conjugated and unconjugated bilirubin. So, bile acid metabolism is essential to know from the medical perspective as well as disease perspective. So let's begin bile acid metabolism. First thing, that is main component of blood, is heme. Heme gets converted into biliverdin, then it's get converted into bilirubin. And remember here, the first bilirubin which is formed from the heme or from the conversion of the biliverdin to bilirubin, the first bilirubin is a unconjugated types before entering the liver. So this is unconjugated bilirubin. Now here, associated with bilirubin, there is albumin, and then this bilirubin enters into the liver. When it is enters into the liver, it is in unconjugated form. So this is unconjugated bilirubin. Then this unconjugated bilirubin gets converted into conjugated bilirubin. Why conjugated bilirubin is important? Because uh, you should know that unconjugated bilirubin is not water soluble, so it cannot be excreted out as it is not water soluble. So there is a mechanism in the liver through which unconjugated bilirubin gets converted into conjugated bilirubin. So this is conjugated bilirubin. The enzyme which is necessary for the conversion, that is UDP glucuronide transferase. UDP glucuronide transferase. So by the help of enzyme UDP glucuronide transferase, the unconjugated bilirubin gets converted into conjugated bilirubin. Now this conjugated bilirubin comes into the intestine, at which site it enters into the intestine in the second part of duodenum. And the pathway through which the conjugated bilirubin it gets enter into the second part of the duodenum, that is called biliary tract. So by the help of biliary tract, conjugated bilirubin gets into the second part of the duodenum into the intestine. Now the conjugated bilirubin, by the help of conjugated bilirubin by the help of gut bacteria by gut bacteria, it is getting converted into two forms. One is bilinogen and urobilinogen. Urobilinogen. So most important, that is 90% is bilinogen and 10% is urobilinogen are formed from the conjugated bilirubin by the help of gut bacteria, and the starcobilinogen is responsible for the coloring of the stool. So yellowish color of the stool is only depends on the starcobilinogen, and the urine color either yellowish or totally yellow, that is depend on the urobilinogen components. So both urobilinogens gets excreted out through the kidney, and starcobilinogen gets converted, not get convert getting converted, but it goes to the stool and passing as a fecal matter. So this is the bile acid mechanism. I hope you should understand. So thank you. Next topic is coming soon.